Okay, it's time to sort out what's coming with me and what's staying. One of these crossbody bags, the things up the top are for a different part of the trip where we won't be carrying our bags. Soap, laundry soap, towel, padlock, hand soap, solar charger, power adapter, plugs, waterproof, sun umbrella, underwear, socks, shorts, long pants, t-shirt, singlet, and a long sleeved top all made of merino. Hanky, because some people said their nose runs when they're walking. Empty, but to remind me I need to put some things in it. Earplugs, sunblock, headlamp, mini clothesline, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, eye mask, one of two day bags for just go to the supermarket or whatever else. This one takes up more room, but it's sturdy and it will last. This one takes up a tiny bit of room, but it was cheap and I don't know how strong it is. Sarong to be all the things. Some sachets of tea and coffee. Inflatable water bottles. Hook for the bathroom. Don't know if that's coming or not. Lightweight raincoat and poncho. Plastic bags. Doggy bags. Bags to put everything in. Hiker's wool. A few bits and pieces of medication and prescriptions. Photocopy of my passport. Jandals we call them, flip-flops. Tivas. My weighing thing. My very comfy shoes I'm happy with. Do I bring the sleeping bag liner or the sleeping bag, leaning towards the sleeping bag? These are the wearing layer, not being packed. Maybe some gifts. Strapping tape for my various injuries and ankle support. Maybe insect repellent. Maybe some lightweight cutlery. Very happy with my pack. 30 litre. Have got a plastic lining and the external pack cover. These things are for the rest of my holiday. What do you think?